Don't throw away the fruit net, because you can make beautiful fruits and much more with this net. Today the fruit we will make with this net is peach, so let's start the video and teach you, so that you can also make it by watching the video. Start and cut 3 lines. Cut a circle in the same way. At last, the best wanted to use a smaller size. It's easy to make a peach tip. I left 1 and cut 3 in this net, just right. Carry out on the opposite side and wrap it with a rubber band. Because the rubber band is elastic and easy to adjust. Flip back to the front after tying. Adjust to make shape. Pull the cut corners and glue them together. The curved side of the peach tip is all sticky like this. Finally, trim the peaches. Use green crepe paper for make leaves. Center paste double-side tape or glue. Use thin iron wire for leaf. Fold in half and cut out a willow leaf shape. Make a peach handle spare. Wrap the leaves with the twig. Now tie the peach handle. Finally, glue the peaches as well. Now looking more beautiful, our peaches are ready, looking very pretty. Thanks for watching the video. Now finally like this video and subscribe our channel.